Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix no Wi-Fi networks found in Windows 10. There have been reports from Windows users experiencing no Wi-Fi network found, even if there is availability of wireless networks but is not visible on their computer. The problem often reported after updating their Windows 10 operating system. Some users cannot connect to a previously available network, while there are other users not able to detect new networks. In this video, we have gathered several troubleshooting solutions that you can do to fix no Wi-Fi networks found on your Windows 10 PC. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, update Wi-Fi driver. It is possible that the Wi-Fi driver is not compatible with the current OS that your computer is using. Therefore, you need to update your drivers. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type div mgem at tt.msc and press Enter. Then, at Device Manager window, click Network Adapters to expand it. Right-click on the driver and then click Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Select the option Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will now search for available drivers. Once latest drivers are already installed, click Close to exit and then check if the issue still occurs. Second solution, Rollback Wi-Fi Adapter drivers. In case the drivers were functioning properly before the update, you will have to roll back driver to the earlier version before you experience the issue. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open Run box. At Run dialog box, type devmgmt.msc and press Enter. Then, at Device Manager window, click Network Adapters to expand it. Right-click on the driver and then click Properties from the drop-down menu. At Properties window, click Driver tab. Then select Rollback Driver tab. If Rollback Driver is grayed out, it means no previous driver has been installed for that device on your computer. Check if issue still occurs. Third solution, Reinstall Wi-Fi driver. If you are experiencing connectivity or performance problems with your wireless network, reinstalling the driver for your wireless network adapter can be a beneficial solution. Reinstalling the Wi-Fi driver can resolve various unexpected network issues. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to Run box. At Run dialog box, type dev mgmt.msc and press Enter. Then at Device Manager window, click Network Adapters to expand it. Right-click on the driver and then click Uninstall Device from the drop-down menu. Wait for uninstall process to complete. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, drivers will automatically install. Check if issue still occurs. Fourth solution, run Network Troubleshooter. Windows built-in troubleshooter tool. Search your computer for problems and fixes them if there are any found. To do this, click Start, click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Click Update and Security. Then click Troubleshoot at left pane. At right pane, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Network Adapter. Click Run the Troubleshooter tab. Select Wi-Fi and then click Next. Windows will now detect problems. Next, follow the on-screen instructions if a fix is needed. If there are no problems found, click Close to exit. Check if issue still occurs. Fifth solution, disable other Wi-Fi network adapters with conflicts. To prevent any conflict with the actual drivers, it is recommended to check if any wireless network adapter has failed to install and disable it. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type dev mgmt.emsc and press Enter. Then at Device Manager, window click Network Adapters to expand it. Or if there is a network adapter with a yellow exclamation mark, right-click on the adapter and then click Properties. Let us just assume that this is the conflicting adapter. Next, click Driver tab, then click Disable Device, then click OK. Next, right-click on Network Adapter and then select Uninstall Device. Next, restart computer and then check if issue still occurs. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.